Mula sa Facebook, ng kwentong 1818 lang, mga Caps, the best part of this all the praises were not from 18, not from SB 19, not from a P-pop community, not self-proclaimed, not backed up by a large company. All these were from a casual and clueless who SB 19 is but recognized the level of artistry and the skills they brought on that world. Ang article po na yan ang nagpapatunay na ang SB19 ay nag-rank number 1 at nag-number 2 sa headlines sa Tokyo, Japan at sa buong Tokyo or sa buong Japan. At talaga namang napaggrabe na lang ang mga netizen. Grabe na kayo, SB19, ang daming tao talagang dinumog talaga sila sa during the performance at the Pacific Main Stage sa Tokyo Summer Sonic. At narito po ang bagong update mula kay Eduardo Cortez Jr. Wondering Duardi. Kento Nakajima's staff reacts to Gento with SB19? Let's play again. Kento Nakajima's official staff account shared an enthusiastic message following his interaction with SB19, praising the group and expressing excitement over Gento. The post ended with Love Kenti and Love SB19 alongside hashtag SB19Kento and hashtag Gento with Kento. The message adds to the growing excitement surrounding the connection between Nakajima, one of Japan's prominent singers and actors, and SB19. The two sides previously sparked collaboration and speculation after SB19 revealed that they had dinner together and hinted that something could be in the works. With hashtag Gento with Kento now being used by Nakajima's team, fans have even more reason to watch for what could come next. However, no specific culture collaboration has been officially announced yet. At ito na nga po ang dalawang stages kung saan ang SB19 ay nag-perform at napuno ng audience, ang Massive at ang Pacific sa Summer Sonic. Well, marami na po ang naghahantay muli kung ano pa nga ba ang mga susunod na invitations, engagement ng SB19, mga alok, dahil talaga namang grabe kapag ka sila ang nag-perform ay sobrang pinag-uusapan talaga sa social media. At alam nyo ba na ang SB19 ay nagpakita ng iba't ibang genre ng kanilang boses? SB19 showing off a different type of genre with Moonlight at Summer Sonic Tokyo, Pinoy Pride, Pipa Pride, SB19 Pride. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng klase ng kanta, mapa-rap man yan, mapa-ballad man yan, sweet song, or everything ay kaya pong gawin ng SB19 or kaya nilang bigyan ng hustisya ang lahat ng kanilang kanta. Dito, mas lalong nakakahanga dahil hindi lamang sila sa rapping, kundi pati na rin sa ballad. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.